Want to make sure the right people get a copy of your emails without cluttering the main recipient's inbox? Today, I'll show you how to use CC in Gmail quickly and efficiently. First, open Gmail and click on Compose to start a new email. You'll see the To field where you normally type the main recipient's email. Right next to it, there's a small CC option. Click it and a new field will appear. This is where you can add anyone who should receive a copy of your email. If you prefer shortcuts, here's a faster way. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus C, and on Mac, press Command plus Shift plus C. Instantly, the CC field will appear, saving you a click. Now, simply type the email addresses of the people you want to CC. You can add multiple addresses separated by commas. After that, write your subject, compose your message, and hit send. Everyone in the CC field will get a copy, while the main recipient knows who else is included. Perfect for keeping everyone in the loop. Using CC wisely keeps communication clear and professional. Whether it's for work, school, or group projects, mastering CC in Gmail ensures no one misses important updates. Try it out next time you send an email and watch how much smoother your communication becomes.